right, beginner extraction crash course. If your reaction had a base, such as potassium carbonate, gotta say bye to that base via filtration, and then suck off that solvent, not literally as tasty as these crude products look. Use the Rotovap. Once the solvent has been soaked off, then to your crude product, add equal amounts of DCM and water. Then you gotta pour those bad boys into a separatory funnel. Make sure that stopcock is closed. I've made that mistake more times than I would love to admit. Now think, DCM and water, they hate each other, so they're not gonna mix by nature. So we're gonna force them to mix using violence. Kidding. To do this, we're gonna do a shaky shake and vent thing. And then after we're done, this is where the chaos is going to happen. You're going to see this really cloudy solution. It's going to be all together. So then we got to wait for the layers to settle. Then once you can see a definitive layer between the DCM and the water, then you're going to remove the DCM layer. And now to the water that is still in the flask, because DCM, it's a big boy. It was heavier than the water, so it got removed first. So the water's still in the separatory funnel. Then you're going to add more DCM, do more extractions, combine all the DCM layers. But now think, just because water wasn't invited to the DCM party doesn't mean any was not going to end up in there. So you got to remove it with anhydrous sodium sulfate. And using a cotton ball, a pipette, suck out your crude product into a new round bottom flask, Rotovap off that solvent, and then you're done. Hopefully it's clean.